Sorry, is this what Oh, yes. Hey y'all, good day. You're gonna hear my dad in the background and some other people in the background, but I'm just going to do a few codes to see if it works, and then we will just continue. All right. Sorry about the sorry about the background, a lot of noise, but I am using the flat black. Oh god, can you see it? Flat black. Oh dear god, it's bright out here, guys. It's really bright, but yeah, I'm using the flat black, and I want to spray all of this fully black, and then the others I will do different styles. So let's look at it a little bit closer. All right, let's continue. I have nowhere to sit. This is hilarious. I'm not doing the shop right now. Seriously? What is that? I don't know. I have this for so long. Okay. So I'm using the... It's not as bright out today. Can you see it? The cherry red. So I'm using cherry red. Alright. Now look at that. My point of error, guys. I was too close to the other bottle. Don't even want to touch it. I was too close with the spray paint to the other bottle, and it started to leak. Like the paint started to leak onto it. Don't do that. Stay about this far from it and spray. And you get a nice clean coat. I don't know if you can see the distance I'm talking about. So the bottle is there. This is my arm. This is the middle. This is the middle of my arm. So stay like arm length away from the bottle. And you get a good. We are now at the final bottle. Lovely people, I love the color. I love the color combination. Let me know which one of the bottles are your favorite. What I did, I also added some black coarse sprinkles to the black bottle just to give it some glam. Yes, we have to give it some glam. But yeah, thank you for joining me. I hope you will have a fantastic week and bless.